Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed the poem Chivi. Now, it's time for the question answers. So, today we will discuss question answer. Discuss these questions in a small group before you answer them. When is a grown up likely to say this? Don't talk with your mouth full, students. When your mouth is full, when you eat something. So, a grown up is likely to say this when a child talks while eating something. Second question is, when are you likely to be told this? Say thank you. When somebody say thank you? Yes. When somebody helps us or gives us a gift, we are supposed to say thank you. When do you think an adult would say this? No one thinks you are funny. When we try and crack a joke about something or someone's appearance. Question number 2. The last two lines of the poem are not prohibitions or instructions. What is the adult now asking the child to do? What is the child? At the end of it all, the adults ask the child to think himself and to be independent in taking decisions, which is unreasonable because they themselves don't allow the children to take any decision. As it is clear in the poem, children are always told what to do or not what to do, so they are asking the child to make up his own mind seems unreasonable. Next question. Why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? क्यों कहते हैं? To teach them good manners. The grown-ups say such thing to teach children good manners. This is very important because it is essential for children to have pleasing etiquettes, etiquettes, etiquettes and manners in order to become good citizens. Last question. If you had to make some rules for grown-ups to follow, what would you say? Make at least 5 such rules. Arrange the lines in a poem. First, you have to make some rules for the grown-ups and then you have to arrange them like a poem. First, what do you want? Come back home well in time. Don't beat children, it's a crime. Stop instructing every time. Don't lose temper while at home. Avoid snoring while in bed. Do your duties as we have said. Again, come back home well in time. Don't beat children, it's crime. Stop instructing every time. Don't lose temper while at home. Avoid snoring while in bed. Do your duties as we have said. So students, you are able to understand this poem. Now you will write some other instructions which you want for the grown-ups to follow. Understand? 2 or 3 short questions I am asking, you have to answer. Who says things mentioned in the poem? Who says? Grown-ups say things in the poem. When are the children asked not to talk? Yes, the children are asked not to talk when they are eating something. Next, गिव 2 do's given in the stanza. क्या करना चाहिए? 2 do's are sit up, stand up, shut the door behind you. State 1 don'ts. Don't drag your feet. These are the instructions. So students,